All right, guys, 2014 BMW 228i with stage 1 boost mode 3 and a catted downpipe and a cold air intake. So we're going to let you guys hear it. We're going to show you what we did to it first. So there's the downpipe. The catted downpipe right there with the O2 sensor right there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way to the factory resonator right there. Then we took the factory muffler off and ran 2 Dynomax race bullets, custom, as you guys can see right there. Custom Y pipe, custom Dynomax race bullets. And then he got some custom tips at home that he's going to put on it. So we just ran pipe for him now. Not the prettiest, but it works. And they had that custom rear diffuser, so you got to make sure to get a custom rear diffuser if you want the dual look like that, because it usually comes with a single out this side, not a dual. So there it is right there. And the stock muffler is over there. Look at the gigantic muffler right there. That's the stock muffler there. We took it off. All right, guys? So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end, because that way you can get to hear the drive off too. We do drive these things. So customer drives it off and you get to hear it drive off. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here's idle. Dude, it sounds like the freaking freight trains. Those Dynomax gliding it down. Right at 100, guys. Wow. What do you guys think of the sound? It's the only 2 series with Dynomax race bullets, duals. If you take the resonator off, then you're really huge. There it is. I know you guys wonder what it sounds like with the barbers. There's one away. Good looking BMW 2 series. Poop. Look at the dust look like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, there it is. See how far it barbles back? I love it. He's got the barbel turned up all the way.